This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Enjoy a private beach as your backyard and views of the Chesapeake Bay from this total mint condition 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome west/an attached 1-car garage. Notable features include Acadia hardwood flooring, an updated eat-in kitchen, dedicated dining room with custom built-in shelving, a large den west/gas fireplace, a massive primary bedroom west/a spa-like ensuite bath west/heated flooring, a large 4th bedroom that currently functions as a den, office and guest bedroom. Completing this home is a west-facing deck with a new hot tub, a retractable awing, gas line for grill and an outdoor shower. For more information, review the details below.